Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Town and Country minivan, and I will show you how to remove and replace the glove box compartment. This video will apply to Town and Country minivans made from 2011 all the way up to 2016. Okay, now to start, first you want to open the glove box. And then you will see right here there is this black pin. I will turn on the flash on my phone so you can see it better. Now there is this pin right here, so you kind of have to slide it to this opening to be able to detach it. I'm going to show you here the other side as well, if I can squeeze my phone inside. Okay, I'll zoom it in. So you see there is this plastic holder on the other side, so all you have to do, you have to slide this thing. So I will try to do it with one hand from this side. Okay, I got it. See, I just want to push it out. I will show it to you later once I completely lower the glove box. And now once that is done, you want to push onto both sides of the glove box to be able to lower it down. You see there is this holder here on this side, and one will be on the opposite side as well. So all you have to do, you have to kind of push it here and lower it down on both sides, ideally in the same time. Okay. Here should be that line I removed earlier. Okay, so this is the holder, right? So you see how it works. This holds the glove box so it doesn't fall down all the way, and it slowly retracts when you're closing it. So you see, all you have to do, you kind of have to slide this pin out through this opening right here. Okay, and now if you are removing the glove box completely, all you have to do, you see it's still held here by these three tabs, one here, and one here. You just have to kind of lift it up here, then push it down on this one, and again lift it up here on the edge. I'm trying to work with one hand. Okay, and that's it. Okay, and once you have a new glove box, it's quite easy to install it. Just pop it back on, lift it up, install this pin and push it up, and that's it. And I will also add, the best option to get a new glove box is through a used car salvage. They have lots of these vehicles there, and you should be able to find one. Also, if you can find Town and Country, you should be able to find Dodge Grand Caravan, which I believe will have the same glove box. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider supporting my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.